Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Let's talk about something many learners feel afraid to do. When someone speaks English too fast, you feel lost. But instead of asking them to slow down, you just smile and nod. Why? Because you're afraid they'll get annoyed. Or you feel embarrassed. Or you think it's your fault for not understanding. But here's the truth. It's okay to ask. In fact, asking someone to slow down is normal. Even native speakers do it. It's not rude. It's not shameful. It's smart. When you stay silent, you don't give yourself the chance to truly understand. And you miss an opportunity to practice real communication. Today, we'll practice how to ask people to slow down. In clear, kind, and confident ways. Why people speak fast. First, remember, most people don't even realize they're speaking fast. They're just speaking in their normal rhythm. They're comfortable. They don't notice that their words feel like a blur to you. When you say something like, "Could you slow down?" you're helping them help you. And most people are happy to do it. You're not bothering them. You're showing that you care about what they're saying. And that makes people feel good. Because you're really listening. You're not asking for anything extra. You're just asking for kindness and patience. Why this is not rude. Some learners worry that asking someone to slow down sounds rude. But think about this. If someone asked you in your language, kindly, "Could you say that more slowly?" would you feel angry? No. You'd probably smile and help them. It's the same here. People don't mind repeating or slowing down. As long as you ask politely. You are not interrupting. You are improving the conversation for both of you. When you ask, you create a better chance to understand and connect. And that is what learning a language is all about. Gentle phrases you can use. Here are some natural, polite ways to ask someone to slow down or repeat themselves. We'll practice them slowly, then naturally. Slow, could you, please, say that more slowly? Natural, could you say that more slowly? Slow, I'm sorry. I didn't catch that. Natural, I didn't catch that. Slow, could you repeat that for me? Natural, could you repeat that for me? Slow, would you mind saying that one more time? Natural, would you mind saying that one more time? Slow, could you speak a little slower? Natural, could you speak a little slower? Even just saying sorry with a kind tone works perfectly. Repeat them softly with me. Then say them again, naturally. Now try saying one of these while smiling. Feel how much more confident it sounds when you add a calm smile. What to do after they slow down. When someone slows down for you, here's what you can do. Look them in the eye. Smile. Say thank you. And listen more closely. If you still don't understand, it's okay to ask again. You can say, "Sorry, one more time?" Or could you say that again, please? It's better to ask again than to pretend. Because pretending doesn't help you learn. But asking does. A listening story. Let me tell you a quiet story. Maria moved to a new country. Her English was okay, but everyone spoke so fast. At first, she just nodded and pretended to understand. But inside, she felt frustrated and lonely. One day, she finally said to a shop clerk, "Sorry, could you say that more slowly?" The clerk smiled, slowed down, and even said it again more clearly. Maria understood. She smiled back and said, "Thank you." From that day on, Maria felt braver. She knew it was okay to ask. She started practicing her listening every day. With movies, with podcasts, with real people. And she kept asking, kindly, when she didn't understand. And she got better and better. Not because people always spoke perfectly, but because Maria learned to speak up for herself. Practice asking with confidence. Let's practice saying those phrases again, but this time with more confidence in your voice. Say them with me. I didn't catch that. Could you say that more slowly? Would you mind saying that one more time? Could you repeat that for me? Could you speak a little slower? Now take a deep breath and softly say, "Yes, I can ask. Yes, it's okay to ask." Feel that calm strength in your chest. Why asking helps you learn. Every time you ask someone to slow down, you give your brain the chance to hear clearly. You allow yourself to listen for sounds and rhythm you might miss otherwise. You teach your ears to understand more. One step at a time. And you build confidence. Because you're practicing real conversation. So never feel ashamed for asking. Feel proud that you're learning. Right in the middle of real life. Final reflection. You are not weak for asking. You are strong for trying. You are not annoying. You are showing respect. For yourself and for them. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. It's okay to ask someone to slow down. It's okay to say, "Sorry." It's okay to take your time. Say this with me. I can ask people to slow down. I'm allowed to speak up. I'm doing better than I think. I am learning one kind question at a time. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.